Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Firewall Gan. I'm going to start new series on Palo Alto networks. This video is all about single pass Palo Alto architecture. So watch this video till the end and understand how Palo Alto core technology works and integrate it together and give us flexibility, reliability and core security in terms of their algorithms, their architectures, their design and everything. So watch this video till the end. Think if your security device, for example firewall, trying to utilize its major processing for function like threat prevention, intrusion prevention, network antivirus, user behavior analysis, data loss prevention and many more activities separately. Like when packet comes to firewall send that packet to different module and process, and then that packet come back and process for firewalling purpose. Then it's obvious that latency in a packet processing will increase and performance will decrease. To address this issue, Palo Alto Networks introduced their firewalling approach based on single pass architecture, which addresses such performance and flexibility challenges with a unique single pass approach to packet processing. Let's understand how single pass architecture works and what are the benefits of single pass architecture over traditional integrated processing architecture. Let's first understand what we have in Palo Alto network. Single pass architecture, networking and management functionality. Core of every firewall or firewalling is networking. What comes in networking? Your physical connection using cables and network ports, their configuration for ISP, configuration for clustering, configuration for internal network using network hub or switches. We all know Palo Alto Firewall comes with many interfaces as compared to other firewalls, so networking and management functionality can be utilized betterly than other firewalls. So packet will enter into the Palo Alto device from these network interfaces and NICs to process packet come one after other, user ID and device ID. Let's understand first user ID. User ID trademark technology maps IP addresses to users and users groups or roles, which enable identity visibility and policy enforcement by user and groups. For example, if your network have Active Directory configured, then one can integrate Active Directory with Palo Alto and enforce Palo Alto policies on users' logins using Palo Alto. So users and users group configured in Active Directory can protected from Palo Alto securities. Simultaneously, whatever supported techniques you can utilize to integrate with Palo Alto. Device ID. Device ID trademark technology. Device ID technology maps IP address to specific device. Similarly, how IPs maps with user ID. Machines or devices can be mapped with IPs which enable device identity and enforce Palo Alto policies. For example, one can integrate all servers from server farm, network devices, radius devices, IoT devices to validate their identity and enforce Palo Alto policies. App ID trademark technology. App ID technology identifies applications, application signatures, protocols, definitions, detection and identifies decryption methods. Need to use on ciphertext packets. Also perform protocol decoding and heuristic. Similar approach uses across any platform where Palo Alto device is configured, like SaaS applications, etc., which perform complete packet verification, starts from the beginning and carried through content ID to scan and inspect application appropriate to their use. Also carried verification throughout the verifying entire packet until the policy engine enforce the policy. Content ID trademark technology. Content ID technology uses uniform signature format to scan traffic for threats. Basically, it's designed to verify, exploit viruses, spyware, malware communication, and sensitive data patterns, like, for example, social security numbers, credit card numbers, custom patterns, etc. In addition to the signature pattern, the machine engine, the firewall data plane applies machine learning on PowerShell scripts, portable executables, files, JavaScripts, and executable and linked format files in real time to prevent file and web-based attacks. All it do to see actual content based on its various algorithms and techniques. Utilizing that, it will verify those content, filter out the harmful and malicious content, and provide security from various network attacks. Policy engine. Policy engine have the decision enforcement mechanism. Policy engine enable threat inspection and the decision to enforce forward or not forward packet in a single policy. You can write single policy and you can put all in one policy, like user ID, device ID, app ID, threat, and threat prevention. You are filtering, malware analysis, data loss prevention, and much more. This conclude you can sum up single pass architecture in a way like scan it all, scan it once. So all these steps which I just explained comes one after another for each and every packet, which makes sense for the architecture called single pass architecture. So guys, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So whatever latestly uploaded content will come to you as soon as I upload them. In advance, thanks for watching my videos and enjoy the journey of learning.